Hey everyone, looking to refresh your home with a modern touch? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore some exclusive art and craft ideas that will transform your space with style and creativity. From easy DIY decor to elegant statement pieces, these modern home decoration ideas are sure to elevate your interior with minimal effort. So, let's dive in and get started. Modern home decor emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. This style combines clean lines, minimalism, and bold artwork to create a space that is not only elegant, but also inviting in comfort. Whether you prefer a contemporary, bohemian, or industrial style, the right decor choices can completely transform your home and give it a new feel that makes every corner feel special. By balancing these elements, you can create a space that not only reflects personal taste, but also brings peace and warmth to its occupants. Wall art plays a pivotal role in modern decor, serving as a focal point that enhances the overall atmosphere of a space. Abstract wall art, with its bold colors, dynamic textures, and striking shapes, brings a sense of energy and creativity to any room. You can experiment with vibrant hues or muted tones, creating a piece that resonates with your personal style. Alternatively, geometric canvas designs offer a clean, structured aesthetic that adds sophistication. Oversized framed art pieces are especially effective in making a bold statement, drawing the eye, and adding both depth and elegance to your living space. Handmade ceramic and pottery accents bring a unique touch of warmth and character to modern interiors. Ceramic vases, handcrafted pottery, and sculptural decor pieces add texture and personality to your space, creating a welcoming and artistic atmosphere. Mixing neutral-tone ceramics with metallic accents can elevate the look, infusing the room with a touch of luxury and sophistication. Whether displayed on a coffee table, bookshelf, or mantel, these carefully crafted pieces effortlessly blend functionality with style, giving your home a one-of-a-kind, refined charm. DIY decorative candles and holders offer a perfect way to infuse personality and warmth into your home. Personalized candles with their unique scents can set the mood and create a calming atmosphere, while hand-painted candle holders add a touch of artistry to any room. For a modern aesthetic, try minimalist designs, incorporating gold accents or marble textures to elevate the look. These small, thoughtful touches not only enhance the ambience, but also add a refined, sophisticated charm that complements your home's decor. Whether placed on a mantel or dining table, they effortlessly blend coziness with style. Introducing greenery into your home not only enhances the ambience, but also improves air quality, creating a healthier, more inviting environment. Indoor plants bring life to any room, offering a refreshing, vibrant touch. Stylish planters can complement your decor, while floating shelves adorned with small succulents create a modern and chic look. For a more dynamic touch, consider a DIY vertical garden that adds depth and lushness to your walls. Whether you're going for a minimalistic approach or more eclectic arrangement, these green accents will effortlessly bring a sense of freshness and tranquility to your space. Statement mirrors are a fantastic way to elevate the look of any room while making it feel more spacious and airy. Mirrors not only reflect light, enhancing the natural brightness in a space, but also add a touch of sophistication. Opt for sleek, frameless mirrors for a clean, modern look, or choose LED backlit frames to create a striking focal point that exudes contemporary charm. These mirrors don't just serve a functional purpose, they also make a bold design statement, transforming your space into a chic, stylish haven. Textile and fabric decor is a wonderful way to add texture, warmth, and personality to any room. Macrame wall hangings bring an intricate, bohemian flair, while patterned cushion covers and woven throws add layers of comfort and style. For a contemporary feel, opt for neutral tones with subtle patterns which create a calming, sophisticated atmosphere without overwhelming the space. These fabric accents not only provide a tactile element, but also contribute to the overall aesthetic, offering both style and coziness that enhance the inviting nature of your home. Achieving balance and proportion in your decor is essential for creating a harmonious and inviting space. Avoid clutter by focusing on a few key statement pieces that draw the eye and create a sense of purpose within the room. By carefully selecting standout items, whether it's a bold piece of art, a unique furniture item, or an eye-catching decor accessory, you allow each element to shine without overwhelming the space. This thoughtful approach helps maintain a clean, organized feel while ensuring that every piece contributes meaningfully to the overall design. A neutral palette with pops of color is a timeless approach to modern decor. Start with a foundation of whites, grays, and earthy tones to create a calm, balanced backdrop. These subtle shades offer a serene and versatile atmosphere that lets your space feel airy and sophisticated. Then introduce vibrant accents, whether through bold cushions, colorful artwork, or striking decor items that inject personality and energy into the room. Mixing materials is a fantastic way to create an eclectic yet harmonious look in your home. By combining the warmth of wood, the sleekness of metal, the transparency of glass, and the softness of textiles, you can craft a space that feels both dynamic and balanced. The rich textures and contrast of these materials add depth and interest, while still maintaining a sense of cohesion. A wooden coffee table paired with metal light fixtures, glass vases, and soft fabric cushions, for example, can bring together a modern, inviting aesthetic. This blend of elements creates a layered, sophisticated look that feels unique and thoughtfully curated. Layering and lighting are key to creating a welcoming and dynamic atmosphere in any room. By combining pendant lights, floor lamps, and LED accents, you can add depth and versatility to your lighting design. Layered lighting allows you to adjust the mood and ambience, whether you want soft, ambient light for relaxation or brighter, focused illumination for tasks. This thoughtful approach to lighting enhances the overall feel of your space, making it both functional and inviting. Modern home decoration is all about creativity and personal expression. With these exclusive art and craft ideas, you can easily elevate your space and create a stunning modern aesthetic. Which idea is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor inspiration.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.